Post-production stage. Sound post-production stage include following activities: automated dialogue replacement ADR, layering of background score, layering of sound effects from libraries or custom made sound effects, preparing a final mix. Automated dialogue replacement ADR is a process of re-recording dialogues of original actor after the shooting is completed to improve upon the audio quality or changes in the dialogues. This is also known as looping or looping session. Layering of background score. It is at post-production stage that the background music is also layered. The purpose of background score is also to enhance the appeal of sequence of the films. Layering of sound effects. The sound effects can broadly be of two types. First are those which are appropriately chosen from sound effects libraries. This is a much economical option, but may need some editing or processing. On the other hand, the tailor-made sound effects are expensive to produce, but they meet the requirements exactly. Sound effects, if listened in isolation, that is not coupled with visuals, are really hyped up. But once coupled with visuals, they sound more sensible and are valuable addition to the visuals. Sound effects are designed by Foley, artists in Foley Studio or Foley Stage. They use all kinds of innovative ideas to obtain the desired effects. Foley is nothing but reproduction of everyday sounds which are added to films in post-production stage to enhance its audio quality. These reproduced sounds can be of very wide variety: sounds of footsteps, breaking of glasses, creaking doors, almost any conceivable sound. Most important sound quality of Foley is that it should be well integrated into the film and not draw attention to itself. It must go unnoticed as a designed sound by the audience. It should just add a sense of reality in the scene. In addition, some special sounds are also needed to enhance the integrated effect of visuals and sound to make it more dramatic. Recall the entry scene of Gabbar Singh in film Sholay. The scenes would not have been so effective without the accompanying terrifying sounds. The sounds were generated in a very innovative way. Music director R. D. Burman used a cut gearbox of a vehicle and welded metallic rods of different lengths to obtain different resonant frequencies at its circumference, and used violin bow to strike and bow on different sets of rods to obtain dramatic sounds which were used so effectively at Gabbar Singh's entry points. Some of the commonly required sound effects can be created as follows. Coconut shell split in two parts can be used to make horse hoof sounds. However, care needs to be taken for choice of floor material and padding of split coconut shells. To simulate controllable creaking sound, one can use old chairs, wooden or metallic doors touching the floor by different degrees, preferably with these rusted hinges. One can make squishing sounds with hand soap solutions. Difference in sounds can be made with the change of concentration of soap solution and mixing it with oil. Different width audio tapes, when balled up, sound like grass if walked upon. Sound of flapping of wings of birds can be simulated by gloves. Having a whole car in studio can simulate all kinds of car related sounds. Preparing a final mix. Having collected together various components of sound to be used in final mix, the sound designers may now process tracks in different ways and combine them together. The processing inter alia include various forms of filtering, equalization, dynamic range manipulation like compression and expansion, or altering the sound image, etc. The processing might differ for different types of sound delivery systems in film theatres. Sound design in present context. With the advent of digital technology, it has become very convenient to manipulate the audio signals. There is a huge variety of hardware and software options available for sound designing. In fact, the problem is that of choice now. Different softwares and plugins enable manipulation of sound in variety of ways. However, the need for experience in such matters cannot be overemphasized. Some of the tools, software popular for sound designing which are currently in use are as follows: Omnisphere, FabFilter Timeless 2, Lexicon PCM Reverbs, UAD Moog Filter, Steenberg Wavelab, Isotope Trash 2, Native Instruments Contact, Native Instruments Reactor. Omnisphere. Spectrasonics Omnisphere is one of the most flexible sound design tool. In sound design, synthesis is very essential. Therefore, having a good collection of additive, subtractive, FM, granular and sample based synthesis is the key. It contains huge sample library as well as different types of synthesis, multi-effect engines and vast modulation possibilities. Thus, all the components needed for a variety of sound designs are built into this plugin. FabFilter Timeless 2. Extensive spatial tools are integral part of new and innovative sounds. It has great toolbox for delay processes as well as great reverbs. Many digital audio workstations include this sort of effects, but of lower quality. In case you want some mind-blowing effects, one needs this kind of plugin. This has a wide modulation options and library of sound effects as well. Lexicon PCM Reverbs, a high quality reverberation needed for creating convincing sound scales and effects are built in this Lexicon PCM Reverbs. UAV Moog Filter, a big part of synthesis which is building block of sound design is multi-mode filters. Filters are built in any synthesis, but if one wants a higher quality filter, additional filter plugins are needed. UAV Moog filter is perhaps the richest, warmest filter, giving the flavor of analog filter. Other software plugins have different core competencies and costs. One can opt for any one of them depending upon dollars in kitty and requirement. A factor worth considering while buying them is ease with which one can learn and be proficient at it. Sound designers can take route from simple to complex softwares. This may be bit uneconomical proposition, but it might prove to be less frustrating. That's all I have for you today. We hope you have enjoyed this session. See you again. Till then, thank you and namaskar.